Why does gel polish always flood the cuticle? You apply carefully, but suddenly it spreads. You take a small amount of product, you try stay controlled, but the gel moves, and before curing, it touches the skin. Gel polish is self-leveling. It constantly tries to smooth itself. So when product sits too close to the cuticle, it slowly spreads. Most flooding happens because the product starts too close. You need space. If you start on the cuticle line, the gel has nowhere to level. Instead, place product in the center. Then gently guide it toward the cuticle. This gives you control. If gel starts moving, tilt the nails slightly downward. Gravity will pull the product away from the cuticle. Flooding isn't about bad gel. It is about placement and control.